Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.25-inch QLED touchscreen spatial header unit for BMW 1 series, 2 series, F20, F21, NBT system 2011 to 2017 years. Okay. Let me show unboxed review. And you can check this blue light and 1 series NBT system, Snapdragon 8 GB and 256 GB header unit. Let me show. And this is screen header unit. And this is cables and harness. Let me show the special harness. This small speaker and this factory plug. Plug and play. This connect to back header unit. And their camera, you can check this real camera input RC type, and this camera power 12 voltage camera detect wire and the camera input. This fuse box. Okay, this harness and this GPS antenna. And there are 2 USB cable. And this 4G antenna. And AUX audio out AUX, and this cable's AUX input left and right RC type, and this microphone, and the video input, this video input is connected on this position. Let me show the header unit. Okay, you can check this SIM card slot. There is SIM card slot and a TF card there. TF card and the SIM card reset hole. Okay, you can check back. And this 6-pin NBT system. 6-pin, and this GPS antenna, this 4G antenna, and this power connection, USB and audio cables. You can check the chip. And 1 series NBT system, Snapdragon chip, Qualcomm Snapdragon, and RAM 8 GB, RAM 256 GB, high resolution. Okay, let me connect the power on this position. And this USB connection. Okay. You need to connect the backup camera because this shows no signal. If you connect the backup camera, it will not show the no signal. The system is starting. Okay, yeah, this head unit. Blue style screen. This blue screen, blue light screen. And sorry. And you can check HD video and settings, dashboard, navigation with music. Or if here, you can check. There is the link 5 for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This DSP amplifier built in the Play Store. DAB antenna, you can buy it from us. And let me check, it's built in the Google Maps and with music. This backup camera and dashboard. Settings. System settings. This ID8 style. And this Android setting on the Wi-Fi. Connect the Wi-Fi. Okay, connecting the Wi-Fi and the SIM card slot on back. There supports the 4G and the system you can check. Android 12. Okay. And the storage total 256 GB. Okay, that Android setting is factory settings. And please choose this function. and the car display this NBT system. Please choose the correct your system and type NBT. This RD8 style. You can set the boot logo. Okay, this factory settings. System information, this MCU information and storage. RAM 8 GB and storage 258 GB. Okay, then this volume. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.